$300,000. I would post a bunch. I mean, I had to work hard, ask for it, $400,000, 30 videos, 20 videos a day, a lot of content. I had a really strong why and I really wanted this to work. 12, 14 months, but finally hit it. You help people. The best thing that iAdvice ever got when I first started, and I wish I knew this when I first started, and I know you've probably heard this a gazillion times because it actually works. I'm 24 years old and I'm making
This is absolutely crazy.
over $400,000 from profit in TikTok Shop.
In a single month, this works out to,
Making like $60,000 a month.
at his biggest single day in profits.
In profit, it was probably like $3,000.
And yes, that was day, not month. And when you work hard,
One of the best blessings that I got from TikTok Shop
why not play hard as well and spoil yourself?
was about to buy my new Porsche.
Today, we're reacting to Christian, who's absolutely crushing it on TikTok Shop.
I do TikTok Shop, one of the best stuff I've ever done.
And shout out to Shophouse, by the way, for conducting the full-length interview. Link is in the description if you'd like to go and check that out. We're going to look at how his TikTok Shop affiliate business works, what he's doing well, what he's struggled with, what his processes are, and ways that he's making money,
Online marketing.
some of which you may not realize that a lot of people are doing. And before we continue, be sure to like, hype, whatever it is that they do nowadays. When asked what his highest revenue month was,
For me personally, it was $120,000 in sales in that month.
and in that single big month, this is how much he made.
In that 1 month, I made $30,000 in profit from commissions.
What a lot of people don't realize is you're not just earning from commissions, you're also making money from.
Brands offer campaigns, rewards, tiers, bonuses, and my favorite, retainers.
Let's zoom in on retainers. How much money is he making there?
You can't even count. About just across $300,000. It's like $300,000 in retainers and maybe like 200 and something in like commissions. I mean, I had to work hard, ask for it, selling for 12, 14 months, but finally hit it.
He multiplied his opportunities by using a skill that you may already have.
I started in September last year with English and it was doing pretty well. And then I realized, what if I just try this in Spanish? So I went in on the same account, I did Spanish content.
But as always, it's never that simple at the beginning, and really it's all about who takes this opportunity seriously
I had to work hard, ask for it, selling for 12, 14 months, but finally hit it.
and who is willing to work through the struggles until they see those wins.
Lost the first account, 24 points like in a week.
Again, the link is in the description. But after that unexpected issue, he did not let that get him down. He used a method which is basically like cheating that most TikTok Shop affiliates use to get accounts that qualify very, very quickly.
I didn't know nothing about it. I was lose your fat with Ashwagandha. Made a new account, paid $500, best investment ever made.
And by the way, if you are looking to buy an account using a reputable website that has lots of positive reviews, I have got a link in the description that will take you there. And if you happen to think that posting 1-2 videos a day is enough effort and then you can just give up,
I would go live 6+ hours plus posting like 35+ videos. I had a really strong why and I really wanted this to work. Instead of hurting people, you help people.
so one of the most predictable ways to make money on TikTok Shop is by retainers. But how do they work? What are retainers exactly?
Sure, a brand wants to work with you and they pay a flat fee to get your service. Pretty straightforward.
And when it comes to retainers, what is the realistic opportunity there?
Yeah, so I mean, retainers can go from $50, per video, 500, 1,000 plus. I have a friend, we got Brandon, skaterboard. Bro, he's charging $3,000 for one video. It's all relative to your GMV.
If you're not willing to go all in and put yourself on the spot, is this really for you? Because this man has got a lot of plates spinning and it's clearly working for him.
I got like 25, too many, probably too many, too many. But think of it like this. Before even doing retainers, I would post a bunch. I was already posting 30 videos a day, top of funnel content. So for me to say I'm doing 20 videos a day
Okay, so it's clear that you have to put in work in first
for 14 months.
and show brands how serious you are. You don't have to be a huge creator, but if you are boots on the ground, posting multiple times a day, putting your work in, the possibilities are clearly, as we can see, endless.
For 14 months. The bigger ones might do 3-month contracts or plus. And that's really where you got like money guarantee for like 3 months or whatnot. But your relative, you build a relationship with them, you know that next month after, they'll work together with you in a certain way.
Posting multiple times a day, putting your work in, the possibilities are clearly, as we can see, endless. And this is how Christian approaches brands for potential retainers.
Very simply, I just state my name, what I am, what I do, and what I want to offer, the rates, right? And I ask for the offer. People overcomplicate this. I go onto TikTok, click the commission link, and there's like a contact brand inside of TikTok. I just message these people, copy and paste the message, send it out and go. Or emails, anything. If you want some free sauce right now, all you have to do, and I've gotten so many deals from this. One thing, you get a new email, right? And you put that email in your bio.
If you wanted to know more regarding retainers, what the best way to move forward,
Just start, just ask. It's not hard. It's just sales, long-term goals.
TikTok Shop is volatile. One minute everything is okay, the next minute you wake up with a 24-point violation and your account is gone. So in order to secure yourself against this uncertainty, always make sure you have more than one account.
I have 4. One is my main account.
When it comes to combining both retainers and his commissions, his highest month so far,
2 months ago, 67,000, almost 68. It was sweaty. A lot of content. It was one of the best things. Something's clicking. Something's working. Yeah, it's pretty much doing what works. You don't have to like reinvent the wheel. The best thing that iAdvice ever got when I first started, and I wish I knew this when I first started, was just see what's working to that. Like there's no reason for you to try and be different and like try something else. Like if it just works, copy it. And I know you've probably heard this a gazillion times because it works and it's real. All of my viral videos are literally me seeing some other dude like, making some video about some AI earbuds, right? And doing it in Spanish. Found my gap in the market, saw everyone was running it in English. I was like, let me just try it in Spanish. Same things, bumped it up and went to work.